para sa iyo ang moment na to ngayon. Ready na kasi ng ano, nanonood na sila sa'yo.
Hindi, nahihiya lang sila sa atin eh. Baka wala kasi manood sa atin. Pero salamat ha, salamat nandiyan kayo. Mamaya mamimigay ng 500 pesos si Kenjan.
Sige ko. Ikaw 1,000. Ikaw 1,000 pesos.
Okay na, ako nga lang eh, sisinama ko na nga lang ako dito eh. Ako ba sa kayo? Ayos lang kayo? Huwag niyo kami masyado seryosohin ha. Ano lang kami dito, naglolokohan lang.
Ako, Kicks, I don't know about you, but ako excited akong maramdaman yung mga local artists ng Baler dito. I'm excited. Na ma-witness.
Ako rin, I'm excited.
Oh, nandito na nga tayo. Dapat sila na, di ba?
Oo.
Dapat pahinit. Bro,
Kaya sumingit lang kami, ginrap namin yung opportunity para magsalita sa mic. Kasi ganun lang talaga kami.
Matandal, gano'n?
Pag may nakita may stage, may nakita kaming mic.
Ano na? DJ Echo. Kayo naman, soundcheck kayo, di ba? Hey!
Sasayaw ba kayo? Di ba may sayaw kayo?
Ayan, isang buong barangay yung mga dancers natin dyan, no?
Kasama natin yung Baler All-Stars.
Eh, yun ba yung name nila? Idol?
Eh, hindi na ba kayo Baler All-Stars?
Let's go!
One up!
One house. Hey!
One house!
Maganda ha, maganda. One house.
One house pa lang kasama natin. What's up, One House?
Woo! Bro, maraming salamat sa suporta dito ha. Maraming salamat.
Alright. What's next, Ken Judge? Ano?
Soundcheck, soundcheck. Aurora Homegrown Rap Artist. Mga tropa, tara na. Soundcheck tayo, tara. Mics for you guys. Aurora Homegrown Rap
Aurora
Artist.
Homegrown.
Let's go. Hey.
Aurora Homegrown.
Here's some music.
Your hands up, boy, I'm high as the man I'm proud. Get your love. Everybody. We know to get this high. So great, go to rain. Let's get our way. Guys, itaas yung mga kamay. Kung grabe yung mga Pilipino. Let's go. Hands up to the sky like it's go. Filipino, put your hands up. If you got me, put your hands up. Filipino, put your hands up. Philippines. Come on, come on. Eat the ass. Eat that ass. Now bring it down.
Yeah!
DW50 starter,
Very good.
Vince Carpadilla, Northwind Trainer Board, 1 Pablo, second Grade Principal Champion, Ellie Lingo.
Brother! Alright, man. Y'all like that, huh? Hey, if you got one more, I can get out of this shit. Yeah. Put me in with my other friend. This. Alright. Thank you. Very cool. You guys are great, man.
Can we take pictures later with them?
Yeah, let's do that.
Yo, check.
Setting up for the Bronson.
Playboy.
Kuya, how are you, brother? Hey. Yeah, how are you? Hey, my vape friend. You hook us up later?
We have already.
Oh, you have him here? Okay. Good. We just came back. They're gonna race Kiko and Manik. They're gonna race. They're gonna do it. Yeah.
Later, we're gonna watch it, right?
Yeah. And then we'll come by. Show us where you at. Where you at? Where's your
I'm from
booth?
Philippines. I have Manila.
No, I mean your booth here. So
Abu is in there.
right over there. Okay.
Later, I'll give you some.
Okay. Cool. Thanks, man.
Our guy will get it for you.
Okay.
How many do you need, brother?
Two. I get me and Kiko.
Alright, sure.
Or you can give me 4. I don't care. You can give me 10. I'm joking, man. Whatever you can spare, man. Thank you. Hello.
Hello,
How are you?
I'm fine. How
Wow.
are you?
So pretty. How are you?
Oh, thank you.
Were you
I'm
enjoying
good.
the drink? Black
Yeah,
Mamba?
Black Mamba.
Yeah, but where is your stand?
There, but
Okay.
we don't have stall yet.
Oh, because yesterday
Because
I got
our-
one, yeah. And then Kiko went by after.
Oh, okay.
He took a photo.
Tomatoes,
Yeah. Because he came in the truck. I said, oh, I was going to take you to go
You
get a
want
mom.
one?
Yeah, I do. That's
Okay.
one. I was looking for you earlier today, but you were gone. No one's here.
Ah, I just got here at 1 p.m.
Oh, okay. Thank
Okay, I
you.
got you.
You got me? You got my back?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm right here, baby. Be careful. Gotta get me a mamba. Thank you so much. Black Mamba. Wow. Represent the Black Mamba.
Yeah.
Supposed to be better than Red Bull, huh?
Yeah, of course.
Of course. Okay. The Red Bull of the Philippines.
No,
the Black
that's
Mamba?
Black Mamba energy drink.
Energy drink, huh? With ginseng and Gariana.
Yeah, ginseng.
Ginseng, wow, my
Can we
God.
get a picture?
Yes, of course. Wait, with us?
Okay,
Yeah.
picture.
My new wife?
Okay.
Thank you, madam.
Enjoy.
Okay, I'll see you in a little bit. Oh, thank you, bro. Oh, for me. Thanks, bro. Okay, we got the free vape from my brother, man. I gotta say thank you though. Thank you, my friend. Thank you very much for the vape. We're gonna check them out. Kuya, what's up, bro? Hello, beautiful lady. All right. You got ice and menthol?
Yeah, it's mentally.
Okay. Thanks, bro. Awesome. We'll talk later, okay? Yeah, what's up, man? What's up, brother? Honey, you're gonna get clothes and everything. Boots. You gotta wear all that gear.
Ito rin sana si Kenjan sa alam eh.
Tapos na.
I'm good, bro.
Kanina pa
You may hold on to it?
Nagkami yung one-on-one na. One-on-one.
This your daughter that won?
No.
Okay.
Yeah.
Pia! Pia! Come here, Pia! I saw her earlier, actually, yeah.
Yeah. Just lots of fans.
Many friends, huh? Many fuckers.
She's very tiny.
Very pretty. Beautiful. Hey, kumusta? Nice to meet you. So pretty. Congratulations on your win, huh? You do that for your mom's birthday?
That's my gift.
That's your gift? I know it. I told you that, didn't I?
Mr. Mainit.
Mainit?
Mainit ang ulo.
Hindi naman.
And this one is super mainit ang ulo.
Yeah, this is super mainit Makuto.
Parang hindi. Hindi ka pa ata kay John Lloyd.
Ang helmet.
Lumaban ka ngayon? Panalo. Ay, nako.
She won her race, yeah. Yeah, man.
Kanina.
She kicked her butt. Your mom was jumping up and down, screaming. She didn't know what to say. Yeah, I saw you at the bar. You, whoa, that's my daughter. That's my daughter. Oh yeah. My daughter's name is Mia.
Wow, same,
So, yeah.
same with my opponent,
Your phone,
Mia.
Mia Pia.
And my other daughter is Iya.
Iya. So you got Mia, Pia, and Iya. And Philip.
Ano kita mga sala mo?
After kasi, hindi naman kita pwede. Hindi mo kayo pwede isali sa pro. Diba? Ang kalaban
So
mo
what do you do next? You race another one, the winner's race, or
Second moto.
you-
I already.
or did you win that? Golly, man! Congratulations! Good job. So where you got trophy? You're getting trophies,
Trophies and cash prize.
money.
Yes. Small
Whoa.
amount.
Small amount. It's okay. It's better than none.
Yes, of course.
Yeah.
In Mindanao, if they invite us, they give me talent fee.
Oh, in
So
Mindanao,
win or lose, I have
you
money.
still get money. Oh, wow.
And free accommodation.
Free. Oh, you're good, huh? You're a
I've been
champion.
racing for 20 years. I started when I was
How old are you? You're 24? Oh, you're like 13, right? No.
But
So
my
you-
brother, have you met my brother? Also, the
Yeah.
one who taught me to-
Huh? Yeah, oh, they let him wear the
This
stuff.
one, this one.
Yeah, yeah, that's your brother.
How do you think his age?
Meron siya sa pag-work.
25 maybe?
Nag-miss ka lang.
Tinanong kasi Ompong, sabi niya mukha daw akong 30. Tinanong kasi Ompong, how about Ompong?
25 maybe?
He's 19, I'm older.
You're older.
Yes.
I know. That's why in the Philippines, all the women are Miganda, yeah. So they look so young, but they're older.
Kalaban mo yung kanina, oh. Siya si promo.
Even your mom looks so young.
She's 40 plus. Today is her birthday.
Yeah, I know, I told her.
Another year.
That's why she's saying, how's my daughter? My daughter won.
She was shouting because I also splashed earlier.
She was worried.
But she shouts more to my brother. Every time my brother calls him.
Kasi ang hirap
Because he's in the pro category. So it's
Oh, he's in the pro category? So you're not pro yet?
in ladies.
In ladies pro, okay.
Nakita mo?
So are you married?
No,
No.
too young.
You want to get married?
Not yet.
Not yet, okay. One day.
Maybe after I retire.
After you retire, oh. When is that? What,
Maybe 30.
30 years?
I
Okay.
still have 6 years.
Yeah, okay, good. Very smart. Enjoy your life.
My career.
Yeah.
helmet, transfer.
Enjoy your life. Do your career before you start having babies. Okay? Very wise person told me that. Her. Thank you very much. And congratulations for all the winning. Bringing home the gold. Bringing home the money. No money, no honey. Now she's my honey, but she has some money.
Laps na ako. Dalawa pa rin, hihingal na ako.
All right, thank you. Thank you so much.
Ako tulo pa rin naman yung workout. Iba lang talaga pag ito, buong paano.
I can see in your face.
Eh, tinatanong ko.
Nothing like the
Let me
kids.
introduce you. Mel.
Ah, Mel.
Yes.
How
He's
are
a
you?
national commentator.
Ah,
He's-
yeah, I know.
he's one
I
of
hear
the
him.
best.
I hear his voice everywhere. Everywhere I'm hearing, I'm like, who is that? Ah,
He's always having a
I'm looking in. Is it God talking?
Actually, I'm a off-road coach.
Oh, really?
I have a school in Antipolo City.
Yeah, I live in Antipolo.
Yeah, we're just near Arsicola, going to Marilaki Road.
Mm.
We have a school there named Melakinos Yamaha Off-Road Training Camp.
In Antipolo, right?
In Antipolo.
Oh, I live in Courtyard Mayalta. Subdivision.
Mayalta. You're
Subdivision.
in the city.
Yeah, in the city.
So if you go to...
So you're in Lower Antipolo?
No, same Antipolo, but on the other side, Basinan. Marcos Highway, straight.
Marcus Highway.
Yeah, just go straight to Marcos Highway.
So are you towards the church?
Yeah.
Are you on the other side of the church
Yeah,
area?
the church going to Sumulong.
Right.
But we going straight. So
Okay.
it's just down the Antipolo Hills.
So at the circle, you go down
Yes, go down.
towards the police department?
No, that will be, the police department.
Yeah, yeah, the
We're
main.
going up.
Right.
Petron and 7-Eleven.
Right.
Turn right.
Turn right. Okay,
Go
go
up.
up. Yeah.
Near Lasal. Middle.
Yeah, okay. That's like where Kiko is. You go out that way and you come out and go on the highway and you go back up.
You've been to Tanay.
Yeah, I lived in Tanay before.
So the Twisties, going to Tanay. We're just near RC Cola plant, Wrigley's.
Okay.
Before you reach Wrigley's, there's
Yeah.
the RC Cola plant. Soft drinks, bottling.
Right.
We're just at the back of that.
Okay.
Very near.
Oh, I have to see you again, man.
Yeah, okay, you
Yeah.
visit the school.
Yeah, it would be great. And what's the name of the school again?
Melakino Yamaha Offroad
Melaki,
Training. Yes, check it on Facebook
Okay.
or check out www.offroadschoolphilippines.com.
All right, brother. Thank you. I sure will, man. Right. Thank you. Thank you so much, Mom. Proud mom. Money.
What up? Fired up, yo. Narinig yun. Ayun, maraming salamat. Tapos kailangan mo yung meeting talaga yung hindi pa tayo mga kaliyan. Let's go. Squad. Let's go. Squad, tapos ipit. Tapos yung kamay na.
Kasi, kanina, ano, pag umarapa, umiiwalay ko sa motor.
Dapat na parang pikit. Pipitin mo yan. Kasi pag nag-jump ka na, naipin mo. Motor yung bike.
Tama na kanina, umalok ka. Hindi, nung ulit, Netflix na lang ako. Binuka ko ng ganito. Ginanong ko yung legs ko eh.
Para hindi mo iwalay yung bike. As always, keep your elbow up. Kasi pag bumagsak yan, tumalo na naka-close yung elbow mo. Mag-wiggle yan eh. Pag nakatayo, hindi mag-wiggle kasi control yung bata.
Dahil mukha naman nakaano ko eh. Anong nga kasi ako dapat nakabunta?
Hindi, dapat naka-upload yan. Nakalak. Nakalak. Siya, sanayin mo lang talaga ng elbow. Tapos ipin. Parang, kasi pag tinalo mo yung maluwag yan, tanggal yan.
Hey, buddy. Yeah. I'm vlogging. Some vape? Someone gave it? That was my gift. I have one that's his. Thank you. I go to jail. I go to jail, I give it to you. Hola, boy. Hello. Wow. So beautiful. Hey, maganda. Wow. We have a beautiful daughter, man. Hello. So pretty. Bye. Bye. You look so wonderful here. Come anywhere. Let's talk. Hey, bro, what's up? We'll come over there in a minute.
Mahal kasi yung mga gear na yun eh. Yeah. So kung may rental, mas okay.
Huh? My page? Alaska Man Joe. Where's your phone? You know Alaska Milk? Alaska Milk, like my skin white. Alaska Man Joe. You find it. You can find on Kiko page. My friend.
Pero sa Magallanes yung may dano.
My Pogi Boys. My new followers. You follow me, okay? Let me go.
You're good.
Getting set up, huh? Y'all been winning everything?
Yeah.
What place y'all in now? First? No? It's okay.
Where you from, buddy?
From Florida, America. Yeah. But I live in Antipolo City.
Rizal.
Yeah.
Up in the mountains, huh?
Yeah, in the mountains, but in the city,
In the city.
it sucks.
The overlooking.
Yeah, the overlooking city. Bahu.
How long have you been in the Philippines?
7 years. Yeah, I'm retired U.S. Marine military. I came here 2016. I came for 1 month, but I never left. No.
We have the same weather as Florida.
Yeah, same weather. Just the mountains is different. Yeah, that's it.
But you got a lot of beautiful women here.
Oh, everywhere.
Everywhere.
Yeah, that's for sure, man. Everywhere. I got divorced. I came here. Yeah,
You have to find a lot of wife here.
yeah, I know. I'm looking.
Okay. What's your name?
Philip.
Philip. I'm Mike.
Mike, nice to meet you, brother.
Here's my son.
Hey, brother. Yeah, I brought Kiko and Matos and then.
Oh yeah, I
Malik.
saw you yesterday.
Yeah, we brought him up here. We had to bring a motorcycle, deliver a motorcycle. And they're gonna do an event, but they're gonna race. They're gonna race in a minute.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Kiko and them. So.
For the old Baler.
Yeah, I guess so.
Okay.
You racing, huh?
Yeah.
Wow.
Actually, this is my comeback race. I got accident 6 years ago in other races. I broke my
You broke
arm
your arm.
and 4 ribs. Yeah. Then after that, I was one of the organizer of the races and motocross MC.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm doing a lot of motocross MC here in the Philippines.
Wow.
Yeah.
Nice. So where are you living now? Where are you from?
We're from Cavite.
Cavite. Oh, that's not far from me then.
Yeah, about 5 hours
5
drive.
hours, yeah. But not far from me in Antipolo.
Antipolo from Cavite is about 1.5 hours.
1.5 hours, yeah. Good. Well, congratulations on your comeback, brother.
Yeah.
Keep going strong, man.
Yes.
You know, us old people, we gotta keep moving, man. We're gonna die.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, see you around.
All right, brother. Thank you. Nice to meet you guys.
Yeah, okay.
God bless. Hoorah. What's up, brother? Make a round. Leave him hanging.
Ayan, syempre, let's give thanks and acknowledgement din sa
Saan na po kayo sasakay?
Bureau of Fire Protection ng Baler at sa ating medics para sa assist nila na binigay ngayong
They're dancers. Oh, that's your dancers. Hey, no, I didn't know, man. I'm a dancer too. Really? Yeah. It's a movement. I do stripper moves like this.
One of the rider of the ball open. Hembron, Iriga City. Walang iba kundi
He's like, oh shit, it wasn't recording.
Seryosa.
Do it again.
Yan, certified fireman yan. Sa resta, representing DFP.
I'm just joking with you.
Yeah. It's okay.
Okay.
Ano ulit?
I'm a joker. All your dancers, huh?
Si Jason Seryosa.
So y'all gonna dance?
First kanina.
Are y'all gonna dance up here?
Followed by Ruben Antonio and...
They're gonna join me on stage.
Tara doon tayo sa... So later on, the representative of the fire...
All them dancers too in the back? All them dancers?
I don't know, bro. They're just gonna join me. It's like,
Oh, I thought they were your dancers from you.
no, I'm friends with them, but they want to join me while I perform.
Okay, cool.
Right? They just want to jam
That's
out.
awesome, man.
Support, right?
Yeah, man, baby. Hey, baby, I'm back. I'm back for you. You wanna go home with me? It's okay. Mom don't care. Come on, let's go. No, you wanna stay here? I think she likes it right there.
Meron po atang
You wanna go with me?
dito sa may tent
Okay.
area. May medics po ba tayo pwedeng pumunta?
Okay. I'll let you stay for
Okay,
now.
bata yun. Kaya papunta
But if you wanna leave, you come with me, okay? Okay. I think I left my drink. Ay, nako. Zucca Cola? Zucca Cola?
Susco
Tell me about Zucca Cola. What is the difference between Zucca Cola and regular cola?
Susco Cola is very delicious.
Wow.
Not like the others.
Just like the others? Do you make this at your house?
No.
No, you just sell it?
No.
You just work for the
We're
company?
just a sponsor of this first invitational motocross in Baler.
Ah, wow. So where are you from originally?
I'm from here, from Baler, Aurora.
From Bel Air?
Yeah.
Wow. You married?
No, I'm not. I'm just...
Single mom? Single? Is she looking for it? Oh, okay. So she's looking for, I don't know what, but she'll tell me later, okay? Nice to meet you. So
Nice
pretty.
to meet you.
God bless you.
Where you from?
Bumaba na sila.
Wala naman po kami pinapatamaan, sadyang kultura lang.
Yung ulit trip, doon muna tayo sa baba para makakuha tayo ng hype ng mga
Let's
tao.
go!
Oh, simulan na to.
Hey, hey, hey.
Yeah. Check.
Hey, solid lang. Thank you.
Goddamn, more grace makes me insane. Just to make my pay. Whatever, who cares, whatever I say, that's just this. Daydreaming, what's driving me crazy? But I'm not explaining to my drugs for shaming. It's better to be quiet than start falling. They goddamn, more grace makes me insane. Doing late just to make my pay. Thinking more to be whatever, who cares, whatever I say, that's just this. Marami nang nangyari sa aking buhay pare, pero nakatayo at nagdamari kumali sa pagulat naman ang nadaan namin sinabi. Di mo yan magagawa ko, puro ka lang ang sabi. Oh no, ako ka may mamaliin na hindi nyo ako kaya na malitin. Sa bigat ng aking parang di masasabi pitin, kaya tilas kayo na mag-iniligin. Tama na, wag nyo bang mangyari? Sa nag-isip ko ito'y baka sakali. Ang puno ng aral at mabuti ang gawin, pero kung ngayon mo, di ka naman pipilitin. Pero wag gawin ang basta lang maniwala. Makinig ka sa akin para sa ibang yung tiwala. May mga taong sa pag-asa'y naging timawa. Makinig ka tayo dahil sa inyo. Kami dito ay wala. Di sa magtulog kayo. Dito mo na masaya. Sarap sa kanta na pinapakita. iba. Sa sarili ko na natin yun ang kilala. Kasi imbis na maglaro na dito kayo kumakatay. It's been hard to run away and get torn apart. Just get up and go back to your trap and do your part. Let's go! Goddamn old days makes me insane. Moving like this to make my pain. Thinking on to the whatever who can whatever I say that's just this day. Daydreaming, but driving me crazy, but I'm not clinging to my trap for shaming. It's better to be quiet than start falling. Goddamn old days makes me insane. Just to make my pain. Thinking on to this whatever who can whatever I say that's just the same. Hey. Thank you, Lord. Maraming salamat. Yo, shoutout nga pala kay Mr. Mainit ay kay Mr. Kiko Matos. Ano? Nasaan na yun? Yo, abangan natin lang yung susunod nating artist. Hey, thank you ulit.
Ready to go? Gonna miss you, baby. Gonna miss this place. Yellow Surf Resort. Jack Daniels, make it count. Until next time, I'll be back. I'll be back. Say bye one more time. It was a motorcycle we delivered to the owner here. Boss Don, Sub Yarn. Thank you for everything, brother. It's been great. Appreciate it very much. Okay, brother. Good morning. How are you, man? I miss all the dirt bikes. We gotta load that dirt bike. We gotta load the bike up, still in the truck. Worst part is leaving.
Second place, rider number 19,
Boy, too, my man, my brother from another.
Fourth placer from JMS Metal Steel, Honda Racing Team, rider number 2, Anthony Walden, Arbonel. Third place, rider number 4, ang tumagal. Bagsak na si Manoy, nakatayo pa rin si Kaloy, Vincent Villaflor. Ito, kailangan nakatingin ko na ito. Your second placer, all the way from Taytay Rizal, Mr. Ladander Francisco, also from JMS Metal Steel Racing Team. And your champion, ladies and gentlemen, rider number 91, Hermes Batok.
I wanna testify, sweet in the holy light. You bring me back to life, and I wanna testify.
5 minutes later.
First placer from Pro Moto PH, rider number 175, Mr. SG Rodriguez. Second placer from JMS Honda Metal Steel Racing Team, rider number 2, Anthony Walden Carbonell. Fourth, si SJ. Okay, sorry. Ulitin natin. Ulit. Second si Walden.
Opo, di nagbago ba? Ikaw ate ha, birthday mo ngayon, pasalamat ka. SJ Rodriguez, third place from Pro Moto PH. Second placer from JMS Metal Steel Honda, Attorney Walden Carbonet. And your champion for the Surfer Celebrity category, rider number 73, Jake Asiri. Ihita po natin si Jake. Wait lang. Meron silang Katingko spray. Napakasarap i-spray sa katawan pag masakit. Katingko. Tanggal ang kate sa Katingko. Oh, insect bites. Pag may insect bites, lagyan nyo na ng Katingko. Tanggal ang kate. Kaya yung mga makakating dyan, magkatingko kayo. Let's get ready for the Novice production. With a very nice show given by the Novice production, they deserve a round of applause. Fifth placer, rider number 89, CJ Andan. Shout out to Mr. Mainit. Yeah. Fourth placer, rider number 47, Andre Abraham from RSA Racing Team. Third placer, rider number 88, Charles Caliaga from Caliaga Brothers Racing Team. Second placer, rider number 27, Mr. David Malgapo. Ganda ng laban na itong dalawang to. Pati yung nanay, di malaman kung anong gagawin. And your champion, rider number 7, Zan Mamaril. Let's give these guys a round of applause. Very good show. Great sportsmanship. Check it out, 65cc. Please get ready. Let's move on to the 65cc category. Okay, let's move on to the 65cc. Fifth placer, rider number 111, Zian Zugui. Fourth placer, 305, Sid Arcelia. Arcelia, bago ako makyat, kunin mo muna ang sople mo. Mamaya, ibigay mo kay nanay o kay tatay. Third placer, rider number 168, from Nueva Ecija, Ivan Del Rosario. Second placer, rider number 28, Gian Malgapo. And the champion for the 65cc, make way to your prince, Andre Principe! get ready. Thank you very much, 65cc kids. Let's move on to the Open Enduro. Fifth placer, rider number 84, Alwin Caballero. Fourth placer, from the Man of Steel Honda JMS, from Bulacan, John Antonio. Third placer, rider number 32, Zairos Sumalbak. Rider number 73, your second placer, Edsel Barajas. And your champion for the Open Enduro, rider number 74, Aristotel Villacorta. Golden Boys, please get ready.
Later. 5 minutes later.
Oh, well, we're all packed up. Ready to go. Gonna miss you, baby. Gonna miss this place. Yellow Surf Resort. Jack Daniels, make it count. Until next time, I'll be back. I'll be back. Say bye one more time. This was the motorcycle we delivered to the owner here. Boss Don, Sub Yarn. Thank you for everything, brother. It's been great. Appreciate it very much. Okay, brother. Good morning. How are you, man? I miss all the dirt bikes. We gotta load that dirt bike. We gotta load the bike up, still in the truck. Right. So we're gonna load up this motorcycle. Get ready for that long trip home. I don't know how long, 7-8 hours maybe. Maybe less. No traffic. You guys take care. God bless. Have a wonderful day. We got sun shining. Hot, hot, hot. Only in the Philippines. Hoorah. God bless.